Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, straight to the point, bafethu. Hugo Bruce release ama-players selector for e-World Cup or ama-games going to e-World Cup. What I'm not happy about, bafethu, ngicela nibhekeni lapha kuma-defender kuKhulumani Ndamane. After Khulumani Ndamane, that that name bafethu, we can't have ama-Nigerian playing for South Africa. We have enough defenders eSouth Africa. Just because when your father ukhonile ukuconvince abelungu le e-Europe ukuthi udlalela ama-team wakhona, sefanele sikufake kuBafana Bafana. Let's be honest bafethu, that boy lo ubani Oko or ubani wase-Nigeria, it's not even good enough to play in the PSL bafethu. Why is even he getting selected bafethu? They try to do this bafethu Miss South Africa by introducing a Nigerian girl to be a Miss South Africa. Now they are doing it football bafethu. We can't have ama-player angekho 100% South African playing for South Africa. We can't allow that, bafethu. We have enough talent in South Africa. We have enough defenders. You can't find, you will never see umuntu bathi uSibusiso Vilakazi eNigeria sekadlalela iNigeria. It can't happen. Or ubona iChina eNigeria selidlalela iNigerian national team. Awuphi ama-Nigerian? Hayi bafethu. If isikhonile ukuthi abo-Ribeiro nabo-Gaston Sirino angeke baze badlalele iSouth Africa, why sizolanda iNigerian? In all wonke ama-country silanda iNigerian? It can't be bafethu. Le faneke ime nje kusukela nje abo-minister, yazi sukela futhi ibhola sekungena ama-politicians sekuyenzeka lezi zinto abazenza eParliament ebholweni. We don't need ama-Nigerian ku-national team. It's Bafana Bafana, not Nigerian Bafana. We can't have Nigerian Bafana. The next thing bazositshela ukuthi i-South Africa is performing good ku-World Cup because ine-Nigerian phakathi. We can't do it njengama-South African. Hugo Bruce uyasijwayela. We can't have a foreign coach ofuna uku-introduce ama-foreign azodlalela iSouth Africa. Uyasijwayela wena. So si-undermine kakhulu sesiyabona. Danko.